What's the meaning of contemplation? Contemplation. Contemplation.
Contemplation. Contemplation. Contemplation refers to a deep and prolonged thought or consideration about something. It involves reflecting on a particular subject matter, questioning it, and trying to understand it from different angles. The result of contemplation may include gaining a new perspective on the subject, discovering new insights, and finding a sense of peace or clarity about the matter. It can also lead to making more intentional and informed decisions based on the insights gained through the process of contemplation. Overall, contemplation is a powerful tool for gaining deeper understanding and clarity about important aspects of our lives.